In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account. Whether you're new to Cloudflare or just setting up a new account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is as straightforward and smooth as possible. First, let's get started by heading over to your preferred web browser. Open it up and navigate to Google by typing google.com into the address bar. This is the fastest and simplest way to access Cloudflare's website, as it brings all the key links to your fingertips. Once you're on Google, look at the search bar and type in Cloudflare. This will lead you directly to the results page, where you'll find several links related to Cloudflare services. What you want to look out for specifically is the link titled Cloudflare Connect, Protect, and Build Everywhere. Go ahead and click on that link. It should be among the top results. Upon clicking, you'll be transported to the Cloudflare homepage. Here, you'll see various options and information about their services. Direct your attention to the noticeable Start for Free button. Cloudflare offers a variety of options, but the free tier provides a robust set of features perfect for getting started. Click on Start for Free, and a new page will load, presenting you with different methods to create your account. Now, creating an account with Cloudflare can be done in multiple ways. They offer integrations with popular platforms such as Google, Apple, and GitHub, making it convenient for users who value ease and speed. Alternatively, you can opt to enter your email and password directly, but for today's demonstration, let's go with Continue with Google. This method ensures your Google credentials streamline the login process, providing a seamless sign-up experience. Click on Continue with Google, and you will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for Cloudflare. Select the account, and that's it. You've successfully set up a Cloudflare account using your Google credentials. Remember, having your Google account linked also means you enjoy an extra layer of security provided by Google's authentication systems. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you've opened the doors to a range of services designed to enhance and secure your online presence. With your new Cloudflare account, you can now explore their features, including DDoS protection, global CDNs, and web performance acceleration, to name just a few. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed it or found value, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials like this. Have a fantastic day exploring Cloudflare, and catch you in the next video.